can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Alright, so we're gonna do a review over
my new race bike.
Bike collection.
The bike collection.
We'll start off with the Racing Honda XR 100.
Has a CR 150
motor.
No, CRF 150R motor in it.
So
got
the tires,
aftermarket suspension.
The tires here, there can't be better. I mean, you know, great for any kind of climate. Ride it through sand dunes like no problem. Fender here, 2000 model. Gasoline, not two-stroke. Yeah, we got some Husk handlebars on her. Market grips. New clutch from Spankers ATV. Constellation. This here
Aerodynamics.
around though, you know, for aerodynamics.
See, it pushes wind.
The seat's pretty good except for that little crack in there, but that's from Damien. Yeah, here's the sponsor, Schnitzel Racing. Chain's pretty tight. Gotta keep her tight on Hondas because Honda likes to come undone with their chains.
Let's do a
Moving
review.
on to the 2003 RM85. Aerodynamics also, you know.
Best way to go.
You know, pretty fine looking seat. Cute tires on it. Got it from St. Nicholas. Chain, you know, you want it kind of loose on your racing bikes because it gets tighter than a Virgin when you sit down. You know, these grips, they're pretty freaking sick. Yeah, you know, just, you know, point it so that way you just grab that clutch, no problem. Yeah, put a new brake part on her today. Just got her from Spankers ATV shop, Constellation. Moving on to the 07 RM85 LW. She has new earth plastics, not new, you know, graphic kit, because this son of a gun's coming off. It does smoke, like,
Well,
because
it is a two-stroke.
So, you know, you can answer that yourself. Don't be a dumbass. It's gonna smoke. It's a darn two-stroke. So, yeah, you know, it gets very muddy.
So let's move on to the Moto Box.
If you're afraid to get moist, get a two-stroke. But if you like to get moist, get a two-stroke. Here's the next bike. It's our practice bike we typically like to use for, like, climbing hills and stuff and caning and stuff. We usually carry around 6 or 9 spark plugs because they usually come out, like, all the time, you know, like, all the time. It is a traction full start, very nice pro taper handlebars, runs like a dream.
Let's move on to the 150.
Now this thing, since, you know, it's a Honda, so it's rugged. This is my other practice bike. It's not very suitable for racing.
It actually is.
It's a Honda. You don't race Hondas, they're piles. Got some aftermarket RM85 suspension on it.
Or CRF 150 suspension.
He's just kidding. Yeah, it's a CRF 150R
W.
W. New tires, they're really good too. It's white because, you know, it blends in, you know, with
The rider.
Explains itself.
Sandwich, you know. This seat is really greatly comfortable. You ride it for like 2 or 6 or 9 minutes worth. Your butt print sits in there, and it's like memory foam. It will not leave. So there's a big old Peter right here. You can't see it, but I can feel it. So it's built in. And the muffler here runs
It has
great,
a crack in
you know,
it.
just because it has a, you know, stick a meat stick right in up like. So now what? The 90.
Yeah.
This here is my 2012 RM8590 Sport Trucks.
It's a hybrid.
Hybrid, yeah.
It runs really bad. You know, it's a Ohio because it's a Honda.
Hey, she took the Christmas tree out.
Yeah, it's done for Christmas. Screw that. It's time for New Year's, you know.
And then the little bunny rabbit here.
Yeah, this is how we make our money for our dirt bikes and stuff. So if you want to make money easy money, just get some rabbits, you know, because we're all the way up. So yeah, that's the dirt bike collection. So we're good collectors, you know. Yeah, so should we tell them about our helmets though?
Nah.
No?
That's another video.
Yeah.
That's,
You know,
that's
we'll do a
later.
video of our riding gear sometime too. Yeah, we ride our Kawasaki wheel around sometimes to, you know, if it's a little too rowdy outside, the wind kind of messes with.
Oh, wait, the 250.
Oh, okay, yeah, this thing will not start. It has a foul plug right now. The guy who races it has anger issues.
That would be Andy Bain.
Yeah, and
He's a rich man.
yeah, see, you can see the semen inside.
It's
Yeah.
got an A2
Has
map.
really cool tires. You know, if you have these on there, it'll take off like,
Rocket car.
yeah, you know, really good suspension.
Fox floats.
Yeah,
It's fan cooled.
yeah. So you know, we fixed this up at Spanker's ATV at Constellation, but it has that on it. That's the sponsor
And
for
vanilla drive.
this race. Here's our tire that we sometimes like to use to weigh down the back end so we can pop really sick wheelies, you know. Put that on the back, it'll go like, no problem. Well, I guess that'll be it for the day. See you next time.